Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the circulation motor and heater assembly in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/8 open-end wrench, 5/16" nut driver, Phillips screwdriver, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new circulation motor and heater assembly and a hose clamp. The circulation motor and heater assembly circulates and heats up water inside the dishwasher, washing dishes. It operates by the main control board. The main reasons why the circulation motor and heater assembly would need to be replaced is if the impeller breaks off or the motor burns, causing the dishwasher not to work, or the heater burns. Sometimes the circulation motor and heater assembly housing cracks, causing a water leak. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Now we need to remove two Phillips screws that holds the dishwasher to the countertop, and one in each corner. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case the water will leak down, and then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. And now I'm going to pull out the dishwasher and grab it here on the top and slide it out. Alright, and now we're going to place it on the right side, slowly. And this is the part we're going to replace. We need to remove this clamp that holds the circulation motor and heater assembly. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to place it into this band and open it. And we can remove that clamp and discard it because we're going to have a new one. Now I'm going to place a towel here under the motor to cover the control board, and we can pull out these old circulation motor and heater assembly out. And same time we're going to push it down. Alright, so now we're going to release this retainer. Alright, so I'm going to put towel down here on the floor. I'm going to place the pump here. And we're going to disconnect this couple of plugs. I'm going to press down on this locking tab and disconnect the plug. Alright, I'm going to pull out this plug. And now we have one left here. I'm going to push on the locking tab, push it out, and remove the plug. And now we can remove the old part. This is the old circulation motor and heater assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to start with placing the hose clamp on here. Alright, so I'm going to bring in a new circulation motor and heater assembly. And I'm going to start with plugging out all these power connectors. Alright, now I'm going to place it on this And this will have to be connected at the same time. So we're gonna work it together. See, this is in and this one is also going in. I'm gonna push it. And then we can install this rubber hanger onto the bracket. And now we can secure that clamp on. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. And now we can place the dishwasher upright. And install it under the counter. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve and tighten it using 5/8 open-ended wrench. And then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with a 5/16" nut driver. And now we're going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm going to attach it using the Phillips screwdriver and close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.